Included in the DIY kit, makes 15 bath bombs, 1 bag of food-grade citric acid, 1 bag of food-grade baking soda, 1 bag of food-grade cornstarch, 1 bag of food-grade Epsom salt, 1 bag of dried rose petals, 1 bottle of grapeseed oil, 1 vial of lavender and vanilla essential oil blend, Tranquil and Soothing Scent, 1 vial of bergamot and grapefruit essential oil blend, clean and refreshing scent, 1 vial of eucalyptus and spearmint essential oil blend, Unwind and Uplifting Scent, spray. Bottle, can be reused for room/pillow spray with essential oil blend, 2 pieces, 1 sets, of large bath bomb molds, makes 15 bath bombs, 2 pieces, 1 sets, of small bath bomb molds, makes 25 to 30 bath bombs, 5 cello packaging bags, 5 golden twist ties, 5 handmade bath bomb packaging labels, step-by-step instruction card, online step-by-step instruction, video instruction is coming. The only bath bomb making kit features Aromatherapy Essential Oil Blends, Lavender and Vanilla, Bergamot and Grapefruit, Eucalyptus and Spearmint, and dried flower pack to customize your own bath bombs. 110% satisfaction guaranteed. At Urban Kangaroo, we have a 110% satisfaction guarantee. If at any time you're not completely satisfied with our products, you may return them or receive a new product free or charge. Locally sourced and hand-packed in California with love. All of our ingredients are locally sourced. All of our products are hand-packed in California with love. Having difficulties finding the essential oil blends are packed in a small plastic bag with labels and packaging supplies. Discover the easy and effective way to make 15 to 25 luxurious bath bombs in the comfort of your own home, and relax and unwind with peace of mind. Please choose Conceal Package at checkout. Start making bath bombs with everything you need in one box. Kits include baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, Epsom salt, rose petals, grapeseed oil, bergamot and grapefruit essential oil blend, lavender and vanilla essential oil blend, eucalyptus and spearmint essential oil blend, spray bottle, 2 sets of bath bomb mold, packaging bags and labels. And of course, step-by-step instructions. Hand-packed in California. Satisfaction guaranteed. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.